Hey everyone, how's it going? It's Austin Hardy here, and I'm new to the Disciplinary Literacy class, and I'm very eager and excited to join in and learn as much as possible in this class. Um, I am currently a grad student here at University of Arkansas Monticello, and I am super excited to join the MAT program as my second semester here, and yeah, my current grade level is grad student, and my hobbies and my free time, I like to play video games. I'm a former basketball player here for the past 2 years, and it's been a huge adjustment for me just being a full-time student, but it's it's working itself out here. Um, Other hobbies, I like to work out in the mornings before I go to work. I like to spend at least an hour, um, just doing good fitness workouts and just staying fit, so I don't lose myself. Um and disciplinary literacy, I feel like, is just the different aspects, and just disciplinary literacy refers to the idea that we should teach specialized ways in reading and understanding thinking each other academic discipline. So that can mean a lot of things, and um, just knowing um, your science and history and stuff like that. So that falls under disciplinary literacy, which is I feel like it's very important. And yeah, I can't wait to learn exactly what disciplinary literacy is in this course and how I can utilize it in my career and job in the near future.